Hi, my name is Adil. I am from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. I am a low vision person. For a person with low vision, there is an issue that we are unable to read. There are some low visions who are unable to read documents with white background and black printed letters. So for that, there is an app in our mobile. So which is helping a low vision to read the document easily. The app name of the app is AudiVision. This is the app. So I am just clicking on it. So in that there are multiple options. Multiple options are there, but one of the options. So one of the options is magnifier. So what will happen? It will help us in magnifying whatever is there on the paper. So for example, but for me white is not suitable to read. So what I will do, I will change it by pressing this third button here. And it changes totally into different color. Background is different and font size, font color is different. So if this much font is not good to read, so I can increase also by pressing this. Okay, so this font I am able to read. This is the action items and next steps. So easily I am able to read by using this solution.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.